Start recording also started, that's fine. Okay, let me share my screen again. I hope you can see now.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, okay, that's good. All good, right? Now, so let me start instance. Let me close this. Yeah. So this part in this public subnet, okay, we have completed
Mhm.
all this step. EC2 instance we got created. Again, I am repeating. First of all, every time I have to repeat. So this is actually VPC. First step is we created a VPC. Shall we write it down?
It's okay. I think I created it. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah. So this is
I'm able to create and I'm able to do the project. I was
okay.
gonna share you, but then I stopped the instance, and then I don't
Okay.
think the IP address will work after I stopped it.
All right. So these are all we
Mm.
have completed already. So VPC got
Yes.
created. Why I am insisting you to keep
Hmm.
this. This is an order. Okay, this is an
Yeah,
order.
yeah, yeah.
That's why
Hmm.
I'm always mentioning that the steps, repeating the steps, because you should keep in
Mm.
mind. This is first CIDR ring. While we are creating
Yeah.
VPC, this CIDR range is must. Okay, so while I was learning in 2021 at the time, 20 and 20 time, so nobody was insisted me, nobody was guiding
Mm.
me, nobody was telling all this stuff. I was going through like blindly, so I was literally we are actually confusion mode. Okay, so that's the reason
Mm.
I just kept everything in mind. I'm just trying to insisting you the order. I'm saying VPC
Yeah.
order.
Hmm.
So this is VPC. First we have to create CIDR range. Once after creating along with the CIDR range, the VPC will get created. By taking help of that, we have to create subnet and subnet, whatever private subnet or like a public subnet. So with the help of this VPC, we are going to create EC2 instance. While you are launching EC2 instance, automatically this VPC will be replicated. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
So that is the reason I was trying to say you. Okay. So after that, you know that how to associate, how to attach, and all. Right. So today,
Yeah.
what we will do is we again launch one instance. We are going to talk about private instance. Okay, I mean
True.
private
Hmm.
subnet, private instance you can call, private subnet you can call. So let us do. Okay, one second,
Okay.
let me keep earphones. Yeah. Yeah. uh, Here this is started. So let's launch the instance.
Hmm.
Okay, so project name.
Oh, that he messaged. Please join the session.
That's okay,
Something like
that's
that.
okay, that's okay, that's okay, fine.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
Again started and we have to do it again, and it will take more 10 minutes again. Time waste already. It's time is going,
Is my
right?
video on from long time?
Sorry.
Did I on the video? Is it on?
Now. Okay, let me check.
Yeah.
uh
It looks like my video is on. Sorry.
no, I think no.
No? Okay, then that's fine. I don't know. For some reason, I feel like my video is on.
Wait, I think no.
Okay, that's good then.
Even though you put it on your video on also, but it won't reflect because I was sharing screen, right?
Oh, okay,
So
okay,
it
okay,
doesn't
okay.
display, don't worry. Okay. All
No,
right.
for some reason, I felt it because that's okay.
Yeah,
Never mind. That's okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay, fine. So yeah, So if I share screen, it doesn't show your screen.
Oh,
First of all,
really? I didn't know that. Hmm.
if I am in a sharing screen, it doesn't show others profile or others whoever joined. If they shares, if they are in a video also, that doesn't show in a Google Meet. I am saying, not in the Zoom. Zoom is different.
Yeah.
In the
Okay,
Google
okay, okay.
Meet, it will be hide it.
It will
All
be
right,
fine. Okay.
let us start. Okay, let us
Mhm.
start with the Linux. Let us launch with the Linux server. So this we gonna create for private subnet. All right, launch. Let me keep here AWS project 1 private. Okay, this is the project name. Next to launch instance, which is Amazon Linux. Next you need to create, you need to select your VPC. Excuse me, let us select this one only.
Okay.
Okay, and you just need to come to network settings. Here you need to select the VPC. Okay, so you don't have, I think this is your VPC, right? I have VPC, my VPC one, because we are in the
Mm.
only one
When we
VPC. Okay,
created, yeah.
so both public and private in the one VPC only, so we are under
Yes,
one
yes.
tree, right? So that's good. Now we need to select the subnet is public right now.
Private. Yeah.
By default it is a public, we need to make it as a private. Simple,
True.
that's it. So whenever you create a, as and when you press here, so if you select the private subnet, you need to understand that the availability zones, okay, see here 1B, availability zone is 1B. For public, while we are creating it, it is 1A. Intentionally we have done this. Okay, now the subnet is belonging to 1B. Okay, so that's fine. Next, so here auto assign public IP. Okay, public IP should be disabled. We don't want to, we are not going to share anything our public related information, this, right? We are not going to share with this we are not going to share this related to DNS name or IP address or web URL. Okay, so domain name, whatever, example www.google.com. So we are not going to share with anything related to this private subnet. So that is the reason we should keep only in private, not in public. So we don't need IP address. Okay, public IP. If you enable only, public IP will be assigned. If you disable this, so it will be in off, right? Public IP will not be generated. Okay, next let me keep this security group SG security group, and here also the same. Okay, it is little slow. Okay, fine. And next, first can you please let me know what we have to do? Any guesses? Any guesses?
Yeah, we need to create a NAT and open the
No,
ports
just we
maybe.
are talking about private subnet. Here what are your observations? Now we are going to
Oh,
select
okay, okay.
this EC2 instance we are going to create, correct?
Yeah.
But okay, you just imagine this is a EC2 instance. Okay, and what we have to do next, these ports should be enabled, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so MySQL port, what is this MySQL port? Oh, let me keep like that only. We need to open MySQL port, so that we need to add port here, MySQL. You see, simply click on, it is MS SQL, not MySQL. You will find somewhere, yeah, MySQL and Aurora both are same. Okay, what is the port number?
330.
3306. Automatically it got allocated, right? So we have to keep it, yeah, we have to
This
keep
is
it.
private, right? So
Oh yeah, so let me keep as usual. Whenever it is required, I'll change.
yeah.
Okay, I have to open it for entire subnet. Subnet in the sense what is, so let me keep my subnet. I just, this port is for subnet, right? Entire subnet. So what is subnet 10.0. Let me open this port. Let me open for this subnet range. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
10.0.
2.0.
1 second. So need to open MySQL port to entire subnet 10.0.2.0/24. It is already in the subnet, private subnet. Let us open it for this, okay, this subnet,
Mm-hmm.
okay, because we are going to connect with this, right? If you want, we can change it. Let us check. This is trial and error only, okay. So let me keep
Okay.
this 10.0. 1, right? This one I am just opening for this so far. If you want, you can change later.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Let me keep this, remove this first. If you want, you can add, no problem at all, okay. This we can change anytime this security groups, okay, that's
Okay.
fine. We added it, that's fine. And anything else according to our myth diagram? This fine, that's fine, okay. I hope this is enough. Okay, that so far it's good. Let me launch. I hope it's good. Launch, yeah, launch, that's it. Storage is 8 GB, that's fine. For preview, let me launch, let's see. Close it. Yeah, instance. Okay, it's running, right?
Yeah.
Private, okay,
Thank
that's fine.
you.
So what is your observation here? Can you see there are a lot of options, but still I just would like to show you here the public IP not enabled. You could not able to
Yes.
see public IP because we blocked. So you could
Yeah.
only see the private IP address, correct? So
Yep.
according to
Good.
our diagram, so next step, can you able to guess? So we have done this area, this part done. We have created public private subnet. In this, by taking help of this, in this private subnet, we have launched EC2 instance with private IP. Is it correct? No public IP
Yeah.
is there, correct? We
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
enabled 3306 port, clear?
Yeah.
And now
Mm-hmm.
what we have to do? This part is done,
Yeah.
right? Next, what we have
Mm-hmm.
to do? Just launch. We just launch Bastion server inside public subnet. Okay,
Yeah.
where it is there? Bastion server. It is in public only, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because I just kept no, I did not keep this Bastion server outside to understand
Outside.
you
Yeah. It's,
only.
yeah. Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
I just kept in inside. See this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's why. So you just keep here any tag or name Bastion server. Let me keep the same name, AWS
Project one.
project 1. It's, I don't know, it is a bit slow. AWS project 1 Bastion. Same, I'm not going to change anything. So yeah, my VPC, select my VPC, keep here also the same. Okay, here VPC is which VPC? My VPC,
Private, my
my
project.
project 1 VPC, right? Next
It has to be public only, not private, so you keep it the
yeah,
same.
exactly. So I just want to keep it as usual,
Mm-hmm.
and the security group name must be relevant. Okay, all right.
Mm-hmm.
So security group name changed, and the port is 22. That's good, and that's it. That's enough for this.
Port 22, okay,
it,
because,
it is already default.
okay, yeah, yeah. But we are opening SSH port. I thought we are
Yeah,
opening,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah. We will do that. Wait. We will do
Oh,
that
okay, okay.
actually. So we will do, yes, good catch actually. We will do that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying right, for security groups we can able to add anytime.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
one thing you
Oh,
need to observe, while you are launching any EC2 instance, by default you can able to get SSH.
SSH, yeah. Mm-hmm.
That is, you just keep in mind. I can able to add my ports, whatever port I need later in
Oh,
by
okay, okay,
editing
okay.
inbound
Mm-hmm.
rules.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay.
right, and that's fine. And so if you want, I can keep, no problem. That's also, I'll keep, no problem. MySQL, right?
Yeah.
MS SQL means Microsoft SQL. MySQL Aurora. Yeah, this is 3306.
Mm-hmm.
The TCP is 3306, and okay, so custom I'll keep, already it is there. Now I'll mention here 10 dot 0 dot 1 dot 0 slash 24. Let us discuss, just keep like this.
Okay.
Okay, and that's it, nothing else. I'll launch it.
Okay.
So need to check, I'm just checking if I did any mistake, or I'm just reviewing it one by one. Okay, all right, okay, that's fine. Let us see if there is any changes. All right, instances. Why it is very slow today?
Mm.
Maybe internet issues or what? Okay, yeah, Bastion, you see, let us see, let us open and check the, see here, oh, I public IP we
Yeah.
got, right, and also
Mm.
private IP we got.
Private IP.
That's good.
Okay.
uh let's first, we need to go inside the Bastion first. Okay, so we have to update the machine, so that's why connect Bastion, SSH client, copy this, I'll use MobiXterm. I like it. That's why. But you will get to know the what is a major advantage MobiXterm today.
Mobile school.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Let me remove all this extra. So you can only keep 12 only 12 instances. Once if it is exceed more than 12 instances, it will not allow you. Okay, this is Bastion, right? So and
Mhm.
use private key, and where it is I need to identify downloads its document. Linux L. Yeah, this is the one.
Mm. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Yeah, and I just would like to change little small settings. That's awesome.
Okay.
All right,
Very
so
good.
let us update this. M space update
Update.
-y, simple enter.
Yep.
Oh, internet is slow. I understood. Very slow. That's fine. Okay, so can you
Okay.
see here, while we are
Mhm.
discussing about Linux, the kernel, we have discussed
Internal.
about kernel also. Kernel in the sense nothing but it's operating system, but in the Linux the terminology is different, right?
Mm.
So now I'll open let me open my, okay, this is done, right? Got created. This is also created, but we need to connect to both, correct?
Mhm.
So first I'll open DB server. um, I'll also open DB server. Let me take a session. Okay, so let's do one thing. mm, Let me open DB server instances. Where is Bastion? This is Bastion. I want DB. Database, correct? Where is database here? We have launched it, right? Where is this?
It's
Let
little down Bastion.
Bastion private. Private you can also call DB. Let me change it for better recognition. I'll keep DB, database
Mm.
server. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Now this is okay. This is private IP. We have very much use with this private IP right now. So can you see this? This,
Yeah.
right? Copy this SSH Bastion private IP.
Mhm.
1 second. My, excuse me. Sorry.
No, that's fine.
Okay, just I'll take one more duplicate, copy this. Instances. This is DB only, yeah. Oh yeah, that's fine. Security, and this is security group. Okay, here we opened 110.0.1.0/24. That's fine. Okay, so again we need to add inbound rules. I'll tell you. Okay, just try to observe. Here what we are doing is, you just launched this Bastion server so far, correct? So you need to go inside through this Bastion server into DB. So you are here actually. You will connect with the Bastion server right now. So after connecting this, you will be inside the Bastion server, through which you need to able to access database. Not directly. You are not directly bypassing it. Okay. You are not directly going to this DB. You are going through the Bastion server. First of all, you need to go inside. From that, you need to go to the database. Okay, I'll show you later. So just so far, you just for that what we have to do, this private IP is there, right? This private IP we need to open to the Bastion.
Bastion. Okay.
So that what we have to do, custom TCP, that's fine. And here port not required. I'll open my IP. This is a private subnet. Yeah, this is my IP. Or I'll mention private IP better. Where is it? Private IP. Let me take just one more duplicate. Instances. DB. We need to select DB. We need to copy DB's private IP address. Copy this private IP address, and you just, where is that? Yeah, so I'm not selecting this, I'm just pasting here. Okay, slash, it is allowing /32, automatically it is showing CIDR block. Okay, what is this IP address? Can you please let me know?
10.0.2.53.
Which one? Which IP address? From where we got this IP address?
That is from private IP address.
Yeah, that is private IP address. Exactly. Okay, this is private IP address, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, this private IP address we mentioned in the Bastion security groups,
yes.
because we are allowing, we are opening the doors to the DB. Okay, we are opening private IP address. Okay, so let me keep like this. What we have done, first I will open I opened DB
Mhm.
server. So after that, so intra communication we are establishing actually. Bastion IP actually I copied. Oh, sorry, Bastion private IP. I did mistake here. Where is that? I will explain you 1 minute after setting up all this stuff. This is also like this today. Yeah, sorry, Bastion private IP address. This is. I'll tell you one more time. This is Bastion private IP address. Can you see? This you need to copy and you need to paste in the here in the DB. Okay, this is, you see here, AWS private security group. Earlier I did mistake that I have taken the same itself IP address. It's private IP address only copied and pasted in the private subnet only.
Okay.
That's what I did
Mhm.
mistake. That was mistake.
Okay.
Okay, so you should not do that. What you have to do, you have to copy the Bastion private IP address and you need to paste into the private, which
Yes.
means this private IP address is there at Bastion private IP address. Okay, this I copied and I pasted in the
DB.
this
DB
instance,
private.
DB instance, which means
Okay.
this private IP address and this private IP address will communicate each other. Okay,
Yeah.
this communication establishment happened just because of it. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because why I didn't use public in the sense it doesn't have a public. So
Yeah.
in earlier in networking we have discussed about IP addresses, internal communication and external communication. How the systems happens communication, how the systems communicate each other by taking help of private IP address.
Yeah.
Right. So for this DB we don't have any public IP address. So what happens is this private IP address and this private IP address we need to connect each other. This is called as intra communication. Okay, I copied this Bastion private IP address and pasted in the EC2 instance inbound rules. That's what I did. Clear? That's fine.
Yes.
Next,
Yeah.
IPv4 I can keep. No, let's keep like this only. Let's see if there is any changes happens. Just saved, done, that's it. Okay, that's fine. So now I'll go to the Bastion. Is it Bastion 118? 118, right? Yeah, 118. So this is Bastion. Currently I am in the Bastion server. Okay, so now I'll try to copy the SSH connection of copy. What is that SSH? DB SSH. Okay, I'll connect DB this all and I'll go here and I'll paste here. Can you please let me know where we are currently? Oh, so what is this? No such file or directory.
We are in 118. Yeah.
One second. EC2
No such
user.
file. Up.
No. Actually, it is asked, but I did, is S in the sense capital letters I have used. Permanently added this. Okay, the list unknown host. Permission denied. Public key. Okay, let me check once again.
Paste it again.
Okay, let's do. What is that meaning in the sense? Simple, nothing else. It's not error. It's our mistake because it is asking. Okay, that's everything fine.
Yes or no, and there was a capital letter S. That's why I didn't
This
take
is
it.
also not the error actually. And one more
Yeah.
thing here, actually we are going to do another activity, one more extra step we need to do. What it is telling is, okay, are you sure want to continue? Yes. Okay, I did mistake here by pressing capital letters. That's okay. But the thing is, here also one more warning we got. Can you see this? The permission denied. The public key doesn't have the permissions, which means there is no key here. Without key it doesn't allow, right? So what
Mm.
we have to do is that physical key we need to keep in this. Okay, so it is there in
Oh.
my download
Mhm.
somewhere in downloads. I need to find out. Just allow me 1 second.
I thought you gave the same key for both, no?
So the key is not available. Let's discuss. I'll tell you the clear picture. So why I'm telling, in the sense, you are while you are listening, it will be easy for you, but once after
Of course,
completion
yeah.
of this, definitely you'll see. I did lot of times, but still I am just thinking while doing it. Right?
Mm.
See, just simply drag and drop here.
Okay. But that, because this is in MOBA Extreme, you can drop and
Yeah,
thing. But how about in the?
that is file transfer. You have to do the file transfer. That's a big you know.
Oh, big
So
thing.
file
Okay.
transfer is actually, you should do file transferring. File transferring is nothing but you have to use one more service in AWS. 1 second. Let me keep my laptop charged properly. Okay. Okay. We will discuss that file transfer. Okay. Later.
Okay.
So let
Mm-hmm.
me enter. Permission denied. Okay. Let me keep here. And where is my key? Drag and drop here. What is that? Some error is getting pop up. Drop here.
It's
Share
not
more.
dropping. We are getting that error message.
Yeah, let me try to keep it here. Okay. User, let me drop here again. Can you see here this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
We got
Mm-hmm.
it now. Let me check here. Can you see? It's also denied again. Permission denied.
Again, you know.
Okay,
Mm.
let's check. Or else directory name. Home EC2 user. Okay. CD home EC2 user. Okay. So now let's try. Go there. Here. This is related to that, and DB. DB we copied. This is the one DB, right? 53. Yeah. Let me copy this. Yeah. Can you see? What is this? What is this IP? Where we are in currently?
In private DB.
Yeah. What is this? IP address?
It's
10.0.2.53.
53. Yeah.
What is this IP address? I'll show you once again for your better understanding. Can you see this? AWS
Yeah.
project private DB. The IP address
Yeah.
is
10 to 2.
10.0.2.53.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I thought.
By taking help of Bastion, we are jumping into the DB.
DB. Yeah.
Okay. So which means we actually connected Bastion, but there is no use of Bastion. Okay. There is use, but thing is we are not utilizing this EC2
Yeah.
instance through which we are
It's more
jumping
like a
into.
middleware.
Yeah, it's like a middleware. Exactly, this is like a middleware. So we are using this Bastion and we are jumping through by taking help of this Bastion server or EC2 instance. We are going inside the DB. So what is the DB IP address? 1 second.
10.2.53.
Yeah,
Okay.
so 10.2.53. So far you paste here. Okay, this is your IP address, correct?
Mm. Yeah.
So this IP address you could able to see here.
Yeah.
Here, this one. not this private IP, this is different. But whenever you log in, you could see this IP address, correct? Okay, so you understood. Let us try to now let us try to use this. Okay, let me close this. Okay, yum update -y. So what is this? Can you please read out?
You have to go to the root, I guess, again
Okay,
to run that command, to run the
not root. Even in root also. Okay, root in the sense nothing else. Simple. We have to use sudo.
sudo. Yeah, sudo sudo dash. Yeah.
Show me. Any observations? Let me know. If you see here, if you observe like this, whole day it will be like this.
Oh, really?
Whole day, because I'll show you that also. Any guesses? I'll appreciate you. The connection happened, that's well and good, but where is the internet for this?
Okay.
So whole day if you have enough power, it will be like this. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give the internet to this private subnet. What is the way? By taking help of NAT gateway. NAT is also kind of service which is providing by AWS.
True.
Okay, so we need to create the NAT. Okay, where we have to keep the NAT we need to keep in the public subnet. Okay, NAT also, that's fine. NAT is NAT, through NAT this is a secure internet service to the private subnet. Okay, it has elastic IP address, it has private IP address, but the thing is also NAT also need to get some internet, right? Without internet nothing will happen, but this also need internet. But that is the reason for providing this internet to the NAT. We are keeping into the public subnet, but through NAT we are giving to the internet. We are not directly giving to this to internet gateway to database.
Okay.
We are keeping NAT into the public. NAT is a secure, very highly secure service which provides to the internet to the database.
Okay.
NAT is the purpose. What is the purpose of NAT? This is interview question. Simple. NAT is actually one service which is provided by AWS. By taking help of this NAT, we can able to provide the internet service to the private subnet, not database. Private subnet.
Okay.
Okay. For that we have to create the NAT gateway that we need to attach it to the route table. This is what we have to do. So let us do. It's a kind of simple mini project, Sultana. Okay, and let me open NAT. You just simply search here NAT. Can you see?
NAT gateways. Okay.
So you can able to search also. If you are in a VPC, you can able to see in the left side.
Yeah.
Yes, if you navigate here, automatically you can able to see NAT gateway.
NAT. Yeah.
Right. So this is NAT gateway. We don't have any NAT gateway so far. So let us create a NAT gateway. Okay. AWS project 1 NAT. Simple. This is my name of NAT. VPC. Which VPC we have to select?
Yeah, my project.
Yeah. So do we need to keep public?
Yeah, it's in a public only we are creating. Yes.
Yeah. So can you see this? The method of elastic IP address. We have to keep elastic IP address also.
Okay.
Okay.
Automatic.
Yeah. You see,
Okay.
elastic IP automatic. If you want manual, you have to provide this all this stuff. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
EAPs, which if you have availability zones, EAPs, but we don't have, right? So that's why
Mm.
we are depending on automatic. So it will generate automatic elastic IP, and it is dedicated IP address,
Mm.
dedicated elastic IP to the NAT, because if it is changes, it could not able to connect always. Okay,
Mm.
if public IP changes, what happens is, okay, again this could not able to, the communication will break again.
Mm.
Continuous, if this changes, communication will be broken. So then this NAT could not, DB could not able to recognize NAT.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, if
Always.
this elastic IP get changes, so we are actually providing elastic IP dedicatedly, we are fixing it and we are keeping it to the NAT, the same EIP. Okay, with this it will recognize both. Okay, suppose here also you are as a user. Okay, you will have a public IP. Last class we have seen that by taking help of that IP address only, you could able to access this instance server, right? You know that
Mm-hmm.
already. You know, you just copied this EC2 instance IP address and you pasted in this browser, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you could be able to access whatever you have done inside the index.html, correct? For suppose in that case the IP address got changed, the IP address is associated with the domain. For suppose that domain is name called www.xyz.com. For suppose internally
Mm-hmm.
IP address got changed, does this domain will recognize? No, no,
Mm.
not at all. If the frequently IP get changes, the domain could not able to recognize. The domain will get, you will get some error. So whatever, page is not working, or timeout error, some such kind of errors you will get. So IP should not change here also. IP should not change. That is the reason in real time production they will take elastic IPs. But we are not in real time. We are not in the production. So in the production, they definitely they will keep elastic IPs here also, elastic IP. But we don't have any alternate so far for NAT. So we must use elastic IP. Elastic IP is chargeable. It is
Oh,
not
yeah.
free. If you enable elastic IP, please keep in mind, make sure that you should off or delete the NAT. If you keep all this stuff also, no problem. But if you enable NAT elastic IP address,
Mm-hmm.
definitely chargeable. It takes high bill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm just keeping like this. Okay, that's fine. That's it. Simple. What is this availability zone? Zonala subnet public sub. Oh, again I missed it. See this? Uh, Actually regional I have taken, but zonal. Let's take zonal. In zonal, subnet is public subnet we have to use, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you are connecting to public, and elastic IP is allocate elastic IP. Can you see? Click on elastic IP. This is the way. Some
Okay.
ID got
Okay.
generated. You see, automatic one ID got generated in the, in this public availability zone. In this availability zone, you got one elastic IP ID. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Create an ad gateway. Simple. You follow this step. Earlier, that was
Okay.
wrong
Okay.
actually. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is NAT got created. From till now, the charges will be counted.
Okay. And
Okay, IP got created now. Elastic IP got created. So state is
mm-hmm.
pending. You see, the state is pending. So here what you
Yeah.
have to do, you need to connect with the route, route table,
Routers. Yeah.
route table.
Mm.
Okay, so just select this. Wait, let us wait for this status. What you want? Anything? 10. What do you mean that? Yeah, yeah, we can finish. Yeah, NAT got created. So now let's go to the route table. So here route tables are there. Okay. So here Now connect NAT gateway to the entire private subnet. What? Okay, so you need to now you need to route table. Why we need to these many route tables? Instead of creating new one, let me use existing route table. First of all, when you open this route table, by default without VPC route table,
We'll
okay,
have to.
yeah, let us create first. I'll show you that. So this is route table, right? Keep NAT route, NAT ROUT, some name I am keeping, VPC, my project VPC. Okay, that's it, right? By default VPC is showing like this. That's okay. This is just one route I am creating.
You
One
create
second,
and you.
one second. Let me. Route tables are there already. Existed route tables are there. I'm just thinking to utilize already existed one.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Already route table is there. Earlier we have created one route table, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
let us use this. Yeah. See here. Let's keep this in this only. Okay. Let's keep route. Edit routes.
Mm-hmm.
Add route. Can you see here? NAT gateway.
Yeah.
So here also you will get one ID NAT related. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Save changes. Okay, so we have to give one. Is it public? Yes. We have to provide the internet to the NAT also, right? Save changes.
Mm-hmm.
There are error editing routes. All changes have been reverted. Already exist. Okay.
Yeah, because we already have.
Okay. So I just selected without that, right? Okay, fine. Let us do it again. Routes, edit routes, internet gateway. Where is no? We don't. It's not selected yet. Let me keep this, and I'll select a NAT gateway with the NAT ID. After that, save changes. Route identified 0 already exists. Okay, let's do one thing.
Maybe the internet gateway it's taking.
Understood. Yeah. So better. I'll do one thing. I'll create a new one. Better. Create a new route table. NAT route. NAT NAT hyphen ROUT route. That's it. VPC is our VPC. That's it. Just create it. We'll use it. That's it. Okay. Go to the again routes. Okay. So which one? This one I am going to take now. This route. Okay. And routes here. Edit routes. Okay. Here add route 0.0.0 and here NAT gateway and ID this still here. I'm going well. After that only. Oh my god, thank you. That's fine. Okay. So let's try to associate.
Yeah.
Okay,
you need
subnet
to.
associate. You should associate, right?
Mm-hmm.
Edit associates to public, right?
Yes.
Public or private? Private, right? That is
Right.
private subnet. We need to associate to the private.
Database is a private one. Yeah.
Yeah, save associate. Association happened. Okay. Next, that's it. That's it, I guess. Subnet association done with the NAT. So let us try. What is that? It's working. Can you see that?
Mm.
67
Okay.
MB. It's working, no problem. Otherwise, it would have rolling here and there.
Yes.
That's it. It's working. Example. See, can you tell me anything? Let us try to install Python related applications. One I would like to go to talk to my friend ChatGPT. I want to install Oh, I want to install Python is very big one. I don't have that much space. I'll use Nginx server.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Oh, sorry, cannot copy it. Copy and paste. Simple. Command not found. Systemctl apt. Oh, it is apt. Apt in the sense it is not to related to this Linux. It is
Let's
related
see.
to the Ubuntu. M.
Ubuntu. Yeah.
Okay, it's working, right? Your DB successfully work. Whatever you keep, for example, if you install MySQL also, it will work. You can fetch the tables. You can create the
Tables.
tables. You can do whatever you want. Okay,
Nice.
well
Okay.
and good, right? So that's it. Okay, so simple. We actually privately we created private subnet. We kept our instance in this. We opened MySQL port. Okay, and we created a Bastion server in the public subnet. Okay, so we have opened to the server. We connected with this port SSH server. I as admin, I connected to the SSH port. Okay, then what I have done in this private IP and private subnet private IP both are opened. I opened this private IP address into the this EC2 instance, private EC2 instance. So then what happened? Whenever I establish here, whenever I try to access,
You
I
need
could
internet.
yeah, but whenever you access, if you have this IP, what is it? Key. If you have a key in this only, you can able to access this private.
Access.
You should have
Yes.
key. This key you need to keep in this. Okay, while you are trying to access this DB, you could able to do. But the thing is, you should have to keep that key. Example, I'll show that.
Yeah.
This one.
You dragged and dropped it,
Yeah,
remember?
yeah. This key.
Yeah.
Okay, I just generally I kept everything all common keys. The same key, the key you need to keep in this Bastion server.
Okay.
If you keep that Bastion server DB related key, then only it will be connect. Because key in the sense that is actually, for example, if you keep if you lock your home, if somebody want to open it, no, it won't open, right? Okay, they will request you, can you please give your key? Then only along with that key only you can that person also can able to enter into your house, right? The same way
Yeah.
we have done. Okay, so now you can able to install MySQL also. Okay, MySQL. So now you are able to do anything here. Oh, sorry.
Again. M unit is instead of apt.
Yeah. Yeah, update it. It is a bit slow today. MySQL will be there. So it is not copying. Not that much speed. I am much faster than this. Apt. Why apt? I want M. Why you M? That is a difference. Uh, for Linux or Ubuntu, both are same. Apt. Amazon Linux. Okay, that's fine. So let me use this.
Okay.
Command not found.
Again,
Wait,
apt only.
that is only copying still. Yeah, sudo m install MySQL server f1y.
No match argument.
It's not our fault, right? So the package is not working. That means
No.
so maybe versions. If versions different, also it will not work. Okay, see this MySQL not available by default. You must install MySQL community server.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to use all this stuff, actually not required. I'm going to close this after finishing this class. Just
Okay.
I'm just showing you for your better understanding. In future you're gonna do it, right? So that's the reason. So whatever MySQL related, you just do it, all the packages like this. So I'll also show that. But my wife is waiting actually. Okay, MySQL community. So I have taken, I started. It's failed already, but so you have to do. So this is different scenario. So whatever till here, according to our architecture, so we have done this. Okay, so NAT we connected with the DB, and jump server also connected. Jump server is nothing but Bastion also connected with the DB. Okay, that establishment happened, and you can also install MySQL. Just try with the MySQL. This is for your assignment. Okay,
Okay.
so you just need to connect all together. Okay, so successfully we have completed my project 1 VPC project. This is okay, we have done. We have, this is not about only VPC, creating VPC. We have done all it's a kind of mini project for you.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
We are not only created VPC, we have created everything. One project, one kind of project we have done, including public and private. Public IP in public subnet we have created public, and you have access to through public IP. You have access through website also. That is public IP. How public IP, the user can able to access this. Okay, and also this DB is there. DB related, you are going to, you are as an admin, you are going to access this DB. But the thing is, if you want to, if you are as a, you want to, if you are a user, as a user, if you want to connect this DB, whatever the fetching details you want to do, he can able to do. But you need to enable 3306 for this instance. Clear?
Yeah.
This MySQL port you need to enable to this instance or this public subnet. Then whatever you do, what if you create the tables, that will able, that you can able to see here, that should be displayed. But the thing is, the server, whatever the server is there, that should be synchronized. Okay, you need to build it. The proper establishment should be happen, because this is just only samples, sample application we are actually doing. This front end and back end should be synchronized, then only the user can able to access this properly. Whatever the tables are there, the tables, and able to, the user can able to see that. Understood? This is
Yeah.
how we will do. Okay, if you want to connect with this front end and back end, already we got connected. You are as admin, you could able to enter inside this, but the next part is pending, that this public subnet, whatever instance is there, that instance and this DB should be synchronized. To do that, okay, first of all you need to enable the 3306 to the public. Okay, these both should be synchronized, and also whatever the packages and dependencies of this MySQL related, you need to communicate by taking help of APIs and all. That is a big thing. Okay, if you connect with all these things properly, only whenever you launch EC2 instance, whenever you use IP address in the browser, then this data can be fetched. They can able to, the user can able to see that data into the website. That's how actually the process, if you know the process, that's more than enough. Okay,
Okay.
that's it, finished. AWS done.
The whole thing done?
No, only this one, the remaining all small things. Okay, no problem at all. So remaining
Load balancing and all that
that
stuff.
we will
Yeah.
see, those all we'll see, don't worry.
Okay.
SAG. Okay,
So I don't know how I can get this
videos.
video. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna give me or not, because I don't want to get stuck again. Because this one definitely I might need to re-look at it again.
Okay, please do follow up. I'll also do, but they will listen to you more than me.
Yeah, I don't think so, because I already have asked him like 3 times now.
Yeah, so let me open this.
This Mahesh guy, he always says, "Okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am." I think even that is like auto-generated sometimes. I feel.
Yeah. Understood. So I will directly call to the Srinivas today.
Mhm.
Only.
Yeah, I
So
think
I'll let him
where
know.
is that Srinivas guy?
That's if he request, they need to respond. Okay, let me talk.
Mm.
So yep, yeah, VPC done. Also along with the project, there is no project here, but I also completed project, and ELB is there. Okay, EFS. We you talked about EFS. If you don't have a mobile extra, you asked right how to copy that. By taking
Oh
help of
yeah, yeah,
EFS
yeah.
only you can do. Next
Okay,
S3 is
okay.
there. This is also one of the important service, and EBS also pending. So let us complete this EBS. This is very simple and small one. Okay, today
Mm-hmm.
evening. So if we have enough time, I can also complete this S3 also. S3 is not that much. So we have a lot of stuff in this. First we can
Okay.
complete this EBS. After this, let us try with EFS. After that, let's go with S3. Next after we'll go ELB auto scaling.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will be complete. AWS will be
Okay.
complete. Then we will jump into this DevOps. Clear?
Okay.
Right?
Sure.
That's fine.
One question I have.
Yeah,
That's
please
good.
go
We are
ahead.
doing on this.
On top of this,
Just in case, if I have to write any AWS, code certification,
hmm,
do you have any like mock-up questions or anything like that? I
you
mean,
want that? I can help you. No
uh,
problem at all. That's not a
yeah.
big deal. Okay, don't worry. If you
So
follow
I might
my,
write it like, yeah, once this is done, maybe if you, after a few more weeks, I want to write it down so that
so
there are
yeah,
some
I'll share
updates
with you.
in
Don't worry.
people.
I'll share
Yeah.
with you. Don't
Okay.
worry. Okay.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Lokesh.
Okay, Sultana. Actually, my wife is waiting for me. I need to drop her.
Oh,
That's why I'm very much
oh,
rush.
okay. No, no,
We
no.
will
Go
talk in
ahead.
the
No, no.
evening regarding this AWS certification also, right?
Okay, okay.
So let us
Okay.
discuss very thoroughly. So about this
Mhm.
certification also, I will share with you the document. You can follow up that.
Okay, sure, sir.
Okay, follow the same document which I
And
sent you.
tomorrow my kids don't have a school, so I can,
Yeah, we can connect. No problem.
so I can come little late also. That's okay. I mean, no, it doesn't have to be like
Okay.
6th or 7th for you.
Yeah. Okay. Let us
So,
communicate, and we
mhm,
can discuss. We are going to connect. However, we are going to connect in the evening, IST.
mhm.
So then
Yeah.
we can discuss. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine,
You
Sultana.
can go. You can
Yeah.
leave
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Thank
Please
you.
do
Yeah,
more
bye.
practice. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Just follow up with this Mahesh and SAG people.
Yeah,
We
yeah, I
will
will.
jump.
Yeah, I will ping them and I will see what they have to
All
say.
right.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you,
Bye.
Sultana, for joining.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Bye. Thank you.
Let's go. Yeah. Now you can speak.